Integrating ValorPay with Magento. Meet Magento, a dynamic open-source e-commerce platform revolutionizing online business worldwide. It offers marketing tools, search engine optimization, inventory management, customer service, and more. Picture this: payments, seamless and secure, perfectly integrated into your Magento online store. All this and more is achievable with Magento and ValorPay. Imagine this power at your fingertips. To get started, log into the Valor portal and have your app ID, API, and app key nearby. Click on Virtual Terminal on the navigation menu. Click the Manage button. Click API keys located in the tab section. Generate app ID, API, and app key required for the integration. Click Save. Visit the Magento Marketplace webpage and log in with your Adobe credentials for your profile. Search for the ValorPay plugin. Choose the Magento Open Source Edition and opt for the latest available store version, which is provided at absolutely no cost. Click on Add to Cart. Click on the cart icon and proceed to the checkout page. Complete the order by clicking on Place Order. Then click on Install. You can find the step-by-step installation instructions on the right side of the web page. Copy the component name available under the Valor PayTech Payment Gateway section. Open the Composer and paste the copied component name in your Magento root directory. Press Enter to start the plugin integration process. Go to the Valor GitHub webpage. The required Valor PayTech payment modules will be available on this page. Copy and paste each command available under the payment module and run them in the Magento root directory. Please wait for these commands to run successfully to proceed with the configuration process. Log in to your Magento admin dashboard. Using the left navigation bar, click on Stores, then Configuration. Under the Sales section, select Payment Methods. Scroll down to Other Payment Methods and find ValorPay. Enter the previously generated app ID, app key, and API in the provided fields. Fill in all the required details. Click the Save button at the top right corner of the page. Congratulations! You have successfully integrated ValorPay with Magento. Now you can easily accept online payments.